Hello friends, today I am going to teach you subject SS topic 3 structure of the earth part 1 page number 15. In last chapter I taught you about earth and also shown you the globe, the model of the earth. On the globe our geographer dictate all kind of continents and oceans on the structure of the earth. Now before that, how our earth was. Earth is a heavenly body in the universe. In all the universe, among our earth is a heavenly body. Earth was made up of molten material that exploded from a hot ball of fire. Before that, our earth was the big ball of fire, and gradually the molten material cooled and solidified, forming a thin hard surface layer called the crust. After that, our earth molten material cooled down and it turned into solidified form when like our ice. When ice cool down and then after it turn into a solid form like this, our earth and molten material cooled and solidified, forming a thin hard surface layer. This layer is known as the crust. This layer is known as the crust on which we live. On the earth which live. This is known as the crust, the hard surface of the earth known as crust. The interior of the earth is still very hot. The outer layer of the earth is known as the crust. It is very cool down. It is cool down now, but the earth interior layer is also very hot. Continental drift theory. The continental drift theory of the earth. How our earth formed. The present structure of the earth. At that time, the earth was different 200 million years ago. Our earth before that 200 million years ago. At that time, there was no continent and oceans on the earth. Before 200 years ago, there was no any kind of continents and oceans on the earth. All the land masses together formed a superior continent known as Pangaea. There was no continents and oceans, and all land masses together formed a supercontinent known as Pangaea, and there was only one water body at that time. Before 200 years ago, there was no continents and only one water body. It is known as the Antharasha. Land masses started to divided into pieces like a jigsaw puzzle. After that, our land masses started to divide like a jigsaw puzzle. Jigsaw puzzle means it divided into like this. Friends, students, you also play this kind of game. This is called jigsaw puzzle. At that time, our earth divided and land masses started to divide in a piece like a jigsaw puzzle game. These pieces were known as plates. This jigsaw puzzle places known as the plates, and they floated on the liquid rock matter. At that time they floated. Floated means turbo. At that time they floated on the pieces of a rock matter. Gradually, those pieces began to move away from each other, forming continents. Then after, they move away and forming in a continents. The theory started. This theory was started by Alfred Wegener, German scientist. Our German scientist at that time, Alfred Wegener, was known as the continental drift theory. Later, another theory proved that not only the continents but also the ocean's bed moves. Alfred Wegener, the German scientist, proved that not only continents but ocean beds also move and also divide into another parts. This theory is known as plate tectonic theory. This theory is known as plate tectonic. Now friends, our next topic is interior of the earth. Interior of the earth. How our earth's interior part made up of. The interior is made up of three layers. Our earth's interior part made up of three layers. How many layers? Three layers, namely crust, mantle and core. Crust, mantle and core. In core there are two parts, outer core and inner core. Our earth is made up of generally three layers, crust, mantle and core. And in core there are two parts, outer core and inner core. Below the ocean is the solid. The earth is ocean's floors, the continents and oceans. Our earth crust layer is made up of continents and ocean floors. Earth's upper layer is known as crust, and this crust layer is made up of continents and oceans. And then after the another layer, second layer is the mantle layer. Second layer is the mantle layer. The mantle layer is the second layer of the earth, and it is made up of iron, rocks and another minerals. This mantle layer is made up of and metals, and the crust layer is made up of oceans and continents. This is our earth's interior part, and the another third layer is outer core, inner core. Outer core and inner core. Earth outer core is made up of heavy metals, nickel, etc. This layer is made up of heavy metals and nickels, etc. and iron also. This layer is also known as NiFe. This layer is also known as NiFe. Ni means nickel, Fe means respectively iron. This is the interior of the earth. Now friends, you know it betterly. Earth's outer layer is known as crust. Another second layer is known as mantle. Crust layer is made up of oceans and continents. Mantle layer is made up of iron core, another metals, and outer core and inner core made up of heavy metals and nickels. Now friends, exterior of the earth. Total 100% of the earth. Among them, total 100% of the earth. Among them, 29% of the land and 29% of the land and 71% of the water bodies. On our earth, out of 100%, 29% of land masses and then another 71% of water bodies. Land masses are known as continents. All the land masses are known as continents and the water bodies are known as oceans. How many continents are there on the earth? Do you know that? There are total 7 continents and 5 Oceans. Continents like Asia. Continents. Continents like Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. Friends, there are 7 continents on the earth. 7 continents on the earth. Which are they? Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. Among these all, Asia continent is the biggest continent. Asia continent is the biggest continent and Antarctica continent is also known as the white continent. Why Antarctica continent is known as the white continent? Because it totally ice bounded whole the year. It totally ice bounded whole the year. And another smallest continent is Australia. After that, how many oceans are there on the earth? 5 oceans. And which are they? 5 oceans like Pacific, five oceans like Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, oceans like Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Southern Ocean and Antarctic Ocean. These 5 oceans are there on the earth. Total 7 continents and 5 oceans. Pacific Ocean is the biggest ocean of all the oceans. Then after, another water bodies beside oceans, another water bodies like earth, on the earth, another water bodies like ponds, gulfs, bay, streams, rivers, etc. These all are water bodies useful us in many ways. We use drinking water from them and they are home of. These all water bodies are the home of all the aquatic animals and another water animals. And these all water bodies are also useful to us for water transport. This is the and for electricity also. These all water bodies useful to us to produce electricity from them. Now our next topic is the surface of the earth. Before that, let's revise our topics. Today I taught you 2 topics, our earth's interior level and outer layer. In earth's interior layer there is a crust, mantle and core. Our earth divided in 3 parts: crust, mantle and core. Earth's outer part is known as crust. It is very hard and it is made up of oceans and continents. And the earth's another second part is layer is known as mantle. Mantle is made up of iron and rock materials, and its another third part is crust, mantle and core. Then after